Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you on how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content that aids you. Let's dive in. So, start by opening the Facebook application on your device, whether it's Android or iPhone. On the app's home screen, tap on the menu icon, usually located at the bottom right. At the top right corner of the menu, click on the gear icon to dive into your account settings. Here, you'll see a section titled Account Center. Click on See More at its bottom. In this section, you'll want to click on Personal Details, followed by Account Ownership and Controls. Here's where you make the choices. You'll see two options. You can either deactivate your account, which is a temporary measure, or if you're certain, you can delete it permanently. For this demonstration, ensure Deactivate account is chosen if you wish for a temporary deactivation. Be aware if you're the sole admin of any Facebook pages, they'll be deactivated too. Now, just tap Continue. Input your account password when prompted, and proceed. Your account will now be deactivated, and you can always return by simply logging back in. And that's how easy it is to deactivate your Facebook account. If you've got queries, do drop them in the comments. So, if you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!